Hi guys, it's your girl Queen She, and I'm back with another unboxing. And today we are going to unbox my Queen She boxing charm. I don't know if this is the premium or the base, but it's a big box, so I'm guessing it's the premium. I don't know. So we're gonna get into it. So stay tuned. Alright, so as you guys know, this is how it comes. And if you're not familiar with BOXY, I will link all the information at the bottom. And it's going to tell you guys all about BOXY. And also, I will link my video up here in the right that explains how much BOXY is and, kind of explain a little bit about about a boom, bada bang. Um, explains a little bit about BOXY. So, all right, so we're going to get into it. This is my Queen She account, and this is how it comes. And okay, so this is my base box. So this is what it usually says. Man, this is a big base box. All right, so I'm gonna get into it, and also it comes with a theme card, which mine all beat up. So yeah, and it says treat your heart out. And as usual, well, this month it haven't been coming with the prices and stuff like that about um the products and then like that. So I guess because Box and Ipsy is merging as one actual company, so I guess they're trying to get everything organized and stuff like that. So I guess they will get everything and they probably go back to the theme cards with the prices and the description of the products. All right, so I'm not going to hold you guys too long, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this box. And my first item I have is from Element Superfoods. It's their Matcha I Do Refreshing the Eye Gel. And I know for a fact Elements is very expensive, and it's a very, very good brand. And so it says this cooling gel immediately quenches and hydrates the eye area throughout the day. It's a gently pat around the eye area used alone or under or over makeup. If contact with eyes occurs thoroughly, do not eat. This is a cosmetic. I don't know anybody that's going to eat it. I hope not. So that's what it looks like. It's a little tiny little tube. So I guess you don't need a whole lot of product. I would open it, but I'm not gonna open it right now because I got a ton of eye serums. I've been passing them on to my mama. I got a lot. I got enough to open up my own eye serum company or store. All right, so the next item we have is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst setting spray. I remember this. And I didn't get it. And Sheena didn't get it. But I see Queen She. Let me find out they favorite Queen She over Sheena. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's cute. Got a cute little mister. I wonder if it smells like watermelon. You guys didn't see that. Oh, it's good. That smells like watermelon. Like something out. If I could eat it, I would slap some ice cubes in my little cup and drink it. Okay, it says Mist and Set with Ciate London's Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. Infused with watermelon extracts and niacinamide. This is the perfect finish for dewy, fresh skin. Hold the bottle 12 centimeters away, Close eyes and mist face both before and after makeup. Evenly cover the face by using an X and T formation when spraying. So that's the Sciente Rain. Okay, so the next thing we have is Celia. It's their Glacier Clay Cleanser. That's what she looks like. And it says from seed to skin, this gentle glacial cleansing cream helps the removal of makeup, environmental pollutants, and dead facial skin cells to reveal a fresh, glowing appearance. Rinse face with warm water. Apply cleanser with palms or soft cloth to face and neck in circular motions. Rinse with warm water and gentle pat dry with towel. Use morning and or night. And she's cute. She got a cute little packaging. She's pretty. Okay, well, yeah, she is sealed. I'm not going to open it because I got a lot of cleansers in rotation right now. And I might just give it away or put it in one of my giveaways. Whenever I hit 1,000 subscribers, I can have my first giveaway. Speaking of giveaway, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and that bell button. And if you already here, you've been watching this long, you might as well go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go ahead and join the royal family, guys. All right. So we're going to move right along. All right. I see I have a Secret Garden 3D blush and glow palette, which I did receive this in the Sheena spots. So I got two of them. That hey, I'm not mad at it. Again, I'm not mad at it. So since I already received this one, I'm gonna put this back and I'm not gonna swatch it or touch it. Because I'm very one may give it away. Most likely probably give it to my mom or put it in a giveaway or something like that. Having my mom build up her makeup collection. And second to the last thing is the Sculpt Lift Bar 24 karat gold. I already have this. I received this from Ipsy. And I think that's like one of the first things I received from Ipsy a long time ago. So that's what it looks like. I mean, again, I think last month, I think in January, I received this. So I got the same little thing. And no, it does not come with batteries. So you got to buy your own batteries. It's supposed to, it's like a little cooling eye thingamajiggy. It's supposed to help with, what you call it? Like little bags. You just put it under your eye like that. You just untwist it. And that's where the battery would go. You just twist it on. And then when you twist it on, I hurry up and get it on there. This thing want to play with me. You just turn it and it comes on. So that's how this looks. So yeah. And I remember, I think this was like $124. So yeah, most likely I'll probably get it to my mom or my sister-in-law, whichever one. Or I might put it in a giveaway and give it to you guys. And so this was by Scan Inc. So yeah. So the next thing we have is by Translucent. It's their Lucid Glow Highlighter Palettes. Oh, I got a blush and a highlighter. Okay. Got two lip palettes. Okay. That's what's up. Oh, goodness. But I think I have this, so I'm not sure. Somewhere I got it. I got a lot of Translucent, Transluce products already, I think. Okay. And it does come with a mirror. It comes with 4 shimmers. Well, highlighters. It seems like I have this. I don't know. I don't know. I got so much of stuff from them. I get them from Ipsy. That's what she looks like. And I'm I'm not gonna touch her just in case if I do have this palette, then I could just give it away to somebody. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm gonna look and see, but if not, I'll let you guys know. But I think I do. It seems like I have this already. I just have to look in my collection and see. So that's all for the Queen She box. So if that's her base box, and from my Sheena account box, this one still won. So we got to see when Queen She gets her premium box in. I don't know which one. Well, we don't count that one the Ciate London palette one with as a premium. So when Queen She get her premium in, which they say is supposed to be coming, it's there's a delay. So whenever that gets here, I will do a video up on that, and then we're gonna do a Queen She versus She showdown. See who boxes the best right now. I know that's my box right there. Queen She, you going down, girl. So, unless they send me the same exact box with the same exact items in there. Now, how would I do that? So that's everything in my box. So yeah, so it wasn't bad. It had a mixture, a few skincare products, and some makeup. So it wasn't that bad. I'm feeling it. So it's a pretty good box. Not the best, but it's good. I have to say. What y'all think? Y'all let me know what y'all think. Did y'all enjoy this box? And do you think Sheena Boxes is gonna win or the Queen She Boxes is gonna win? Y'all let me know. And again, thank you guys for watching my video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Stay tuned. I got some more stuff coming, some more unboxings, and yeah, like I said, I'm gonna add some new stuff to my channel. Excuse me, and like maybe some makeup and stuff. You know, we're gonna try to see. I take London Palette. You know, we're gonna do it. So y'all stay tuned for that video. And again, my Queen sisters, I love you guys. I love everybody here. Don't forget to subscribe if y'all already here and all right there. Might as well go ahead and join this family and hit the bell button and the thumbs up button for your girl. And yeah, and continue to walk with me on this journey, you know. And I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. And always, don't forget that you are royalty, my Queen sisters, and don't accept nothing less than that. I love you guys. Bye.